Hello, today we will guide you through how to track Zara order. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and clear so you can quickly find your order status and follow its journey from purchase to delivery using the official Zara app. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and the latest version of the app installed for the smoothest experience. Start by opening the Zara app on your device. If you haven't used it in a while, it may prompt you to update or confirm your region. Matching the correct region helps your orders display correctly. Once the app loads, look to the lower right corner of the screen for the Account tab. It typically appears as a person icon or a label that says Account. Tap it to open your personal area. If you're not already signed in, you'll be asked to log into the account you use when placing your order. This ensures the app can securely pull in your purchases. Inside the Account section, find and tap Purchases. In some versions of the app, this may appear as Orders. This is the central place where Zara lists everything you've bought through your account, whether it's a recent online order or a past purchase. If the list seems out of date, try pulling down on the screen to refresh. Your purchased items will display here, and you can track them from this view. Select the order you want to follow to open its details. You'll typically see the items included, the delivery address, the payment summary, and a status such as preparing, processing, shipped, or delivered. When an order is shipped, you'll usually find a tracking number or a carrier link. Tap that link to open the carrier's tracking page and see the latest scans, estimated delivery dates, and any delivery exceptions. If you prefer to keep notifications on, the app can alert you when the status changes. A few quick tips can help if you don't see what you expect. Make sure you're signed into the same account used at checkout and confirm your country or region matches the one where you placed the order. If you checked out as a guest, the order might not appear in Purchases. In that case, refer to your confirmation email for updates. For in-store purchases, look for digital receipts within the same Purchases section if available for your market. That's it. Open the Zara app, go to Account, tap Purchases, and view your order to track it. With these steps, you'll always know where your package is and when to expect it.